Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.thoughtfortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. A masterpiece in the midst of it all. Let go of any preconceptions and misconceptions. Create your own story, make it your own, and allow the divine to guide you, lead you, and create a masterpiece in the midst of chaos and beauty. Thank you so much, Danny G. That's amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think about 3 things you're grateful for right now. I am grateful for my family. I'm grateful for my friends, and I'm grateful for my wife. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.